Hakane kapur nak mantaka ban plie yakane ke ying ya ke bakum ying kesem mangi kum king kesem ngala ban pendep yakane ke homestay exordar jong ke Shong Nongkhlaw ke jongi ki I para staff ki jonga ki balai dor rengkat bat kenika bi dor rengkat bat mi hakane ka sngi bat kumjur ki bahing asem baro
So to help the people in order to raise the standard of living, to have them aware and create employment, and that is the main focus of the scheme, employment.
We now inaugurate our Rose Homestay. Wow. It's beautiful. Room one. Look at this. See. Okay. So beautiful.
And I would request our entrepreneur to kindly impart, to share your success stories with more other entrepreneurs so that we can build similar such kind of homestay. And also I would like to mention that you have beautiful daughters with a beautiful voice. So for any tourist who is coming to this place, it's like a full package. You get everything. You get natural beauty, you get such a beautiful experience of music, you get everything you desire just in a place. You have, I can see fruits, you have this orange orchards here. There is no other place better than this.
Incarnate love divine, soaring angels gave the sign.